Are you tired of manually switching themes for Black Friday, holidays, or product launches? Here's how to schedule automatic Shopify theme changes that activate at the perfect moment. Let's jump into this workflow.
First, set your exact date and time for the theme change using MESA's built-in schedule app. Whether it's midnight on Black Friday or the moment your product launch begins, no more setting alarms or hoping you remember to make the change manually. At the scheduled time, your designated theme goes live instantly. Your holiday design, promotional layout, or special event branding activates without any intervention from you. Here's the real power for complete event automation. Schedule a second workflow to revert back to your original theme when the event ends or if the inventory of your new item sells out. This gives you hands-off campaign management with confidence. So get MESA, the AI automation platform that helps you do more with less effort. Get started today with templates like this one or build your own workflows from scratch. Make it happen at getmesa.com.